You gotta be real careful. There's rock slides everywhere. There's rock all over the road. We're probably gonna end up closing this highway. That was some of the most intense. Oh, here comes the plow, look. They're getting the rocks out of the way right here. Here's another one. And I didn't bring my four-wheel drive Tundra, I brought my van. That was a big mistake. Should have brought the gas guzzler instead of the gas sipper. Unbelievable. That was the gnarliest terrain and storm and wind I've ever seen in my life.